Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you change your name on Facebook mobile, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, and even if you can't do that, I'll give you a fix at the end of this video. So make sure to follow up till the end and let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, we first need to get something out of the way. So open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, search for Facebook in the top right here, and once you find it, let's go ahead and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, open Facebook, make sure you are logged in, and then open the menu by tapping here in the top right corner. From here you can go ahead and open settings by tapping right there, or you can instead scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings right here at the top. Now from settings, open account center by tapping right here, and from account center tap on profiles at the top. Choose the Facebook account that you want to change the name of, and then tap on name in the top right here. And from here you can go ahead and change your Facebook name and even change the order of your name. Now if you can't change it for some reason, you can always quit from here and go back to the menu. And here we are in the menu. You need to go ahead and find an option that says help and support right here. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on report a problem right there. Scroll down in this list and tap on continue to report a problem. Wait for a couple of seconds. From here you can choose to include or not to, and then from this list let's go ahead and choose profile. So scroll down until you find an option that says profile, go ahead and tap on it, and then from here describe your issue to the Facebook support team, and then tap on send in the top right corner, and they should get back to you with a fix in 24 to 48 hours. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.